20. Hello, welcome to HGS. We have a 2020 MacBook Air which a customer complained no power, and they have taken it to some engineers to check on actually. So it's now on our table. And first, let's check for physical damage with a microscope. Already, the complaint was no power. Okay, the complaint was no power. So let's plug in our charger to see how many volts is being dropped down here. Okay, that means we are having a 5 volt stock here. 5 volt stock. First, we check on the 5 volt stock. Still shaking. Is that a shaking? So what do we have? We have 4.99, so equivalent 5 volts, no power. Hello. Okay. Let's see here. We have let's see how many volts is been. We have we discovered that there's a short here. When we tested it, we discovered that there's a short at PPBUS, which is giving continuity. Let's check if it's still giving. No, it's no more giving because we have identified the shorts. So this is the short we discovered on the board. This is it. This is where it's being located, and that is PPBUS-GH. I think it's PPBUS-GH CPU. This is it. That's C7214 PPBUS-GH CPU. That's what is causing the short. And how did we identify this? Remember, we have a short here. So since there is a short here, simply means that something is triggering this particular system not to on. So how did we do it? We inject power. This is the terminal that we inject the power on. Okay, this is the terminal that we inject a power on. As we inject the power on, we leave it at 5 volts to heat up the particular chip that is faulty, and automatically this particular chip was seen. The hotness hit it up, and actually you can see here it burnt my finger here because of the hotness. I wasn't using my flare camera. So now we've removed it and checked the power. We removed it and checked the power to see if what we did was actually the fault, but there is no short, so I believe the system will on. So let's see. Okay, you can see we have a power. The system is up now. We have a power. The system is up now. So looking at this now, we have solved this problem, but I'm not going to conclude on this because we have to fix in that chip. So, but it's late now, so tomorrow we'll fix in the chip and couple the system for the customer to come pick it up. Thank you, and keep watching HGS Assist for more updates. Hi guys, we've done coupling the 2020 Mac. We've done coupling it. Now the system is up, but it seems that the customer has a defective screen or whatever, I don't know, but we'll contact them to confirm. The system is up now, ready for pickup.